Here and this is my new channel. Pretty the same. I'm gonna be doing vlogs on it. Try to make gaming videos on my Xbox. Right here. A little Xbox. Trying to make good videos on it. But this video today is gonna be about me eating a Pop-Tart. And it starts now. S'mores, by the way. So how's your day been going, huh? Not quite. I'm gonna get some water. Technically what I do in my life, I just walk around and do stuff. It's a dining room. This is where we eat. I suppose put this back on my plate first. Long video. It's a minute 14 seconds so far. But. Okay. Now this video ain't gonna be entirely about eating Pop-Tart, I guess. I'll be sad. Good Pop-Tart. By the way, I did not just fart, it was my foot squeak. Squeak. Jesus, I sound like a chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk going jing-a-bunk chipmunk. Okay, now I just sound like a complete weirdo. Look how I have to pour in water. Yeah, I pour in water right in front of you guys. Now, this video is going to be about drinking water and eating a Pop-Tart. Hey, Grandma. Subscribe to Faxolo. That's FAXXSOLO. I'll close my door. Well, I'll enjoy this Pop-Tart by myself. Bye everybody. Lego series coming soon. Still gonna make all those vlogs and stuff. And Mario and Luigi are gonna be coming back soon. Bye.